Elated wishes to all. There must be a positive and negative in everything in the universe in order to complete a circuit or a circle, without which there would be no activity and no motion. Myself, Rajalakshmi, and my friends Netra and Namita of RMD Engineering College, EC Department, are here to present our electronic circuits to mini project on the topic water level indicator. Let us look into the contents. We have introduction and objective of water level indicator, about the project, components required, working, circuit diagram, circuit connections, project illustration, features of water level indicator, and the conclusion. Introduction and objective of the project. With the growing population, the shortage of water is the biggest concern in this era, and one of its causes include wastage of water. Wasting water may affect the availability to communities where water shortage is common. Because of this unintentional flaw, an arid ecosystem may suffer from inadequate amount of water. Water tank overflow is one of the common problems which leads to the wastage of water. So here is a simple water alarm project which will detect the water level and will raise an alarm upon getting the water tank full or a preset level. Over to Namita Reddy.
About our project, this circuit not only indicates the amount of water present in the overhead tank but also gives an alarm when the tank is full. This simple transistor based water level indicator circuit is very useful to indicate the water levels in a tank. Whenever tank gets filled, we get alerts on particular levels. Here we have created three levels, namely medium, high, and full. We can create alarms for more levels. We have added three LEDs to indicate the three levels, which are A, B, and C, and one buzzer to indicate when the tank is full. The components which we have used in our project are three DC 547 transistors, three 330 ohm resistors, three color LEDs, one buzzer, one 9-volt battery with its clip, one breadboard, and connecting wires. Working. One electrode wire with 9-volt battery is placed at the bottom of the tank such that a conductive path is established between the water and the circuit, and the wires are placed step by step as shown in the circuit diagram. When water level reaches to a point A, which means the tank is half filled, circuit with green LED and transistor Q1 gets completed and green LED glows. Similarly, when water level reaches to a point B, which means 3/4 of the tank is filled, circuit with yellow LED and transistor Q2 gets completed and yellow LED glows. And finally, when tank gets full, which means when it reaches to the point C, circuit with buzzer and blue LED gets completed and the blue LED glows with the buzzer sound. When the tank is empty, there is no conductive path between any of the three indicating probes and the common probe. So the transistor-based emitter region will not have sufficient biasing voltage, hence it remains in cutoff region and output across its collector will be approximately 9 volt, but and thus indicates tank is empty. Here is the circuit diagram of our project water level indicator. Over to Netra.
Here is the final circuit arrangement of a water level indicator project. As we could see, three transistors are placed in the breadboard with the left terminal as collector, middle one as base, and the right terminal as emitter. Coming to the resistors, one terminal is connected to the collector of transistor and the other terminal is connected to the positive of breadboard. The anodes of LEDs are connected to the emitters of the transistors and the cathodes are grounded. The positive of buzzer is connected to the base of the transistor and the negative of buzzer is grounded. Three wires are placed in the base of three transistors to the surface of water at three different levels. Finally, the circuit is completed by giving a 9-volt supply. Now, let us see how a project works. As we start pouring water into the container, once it reaches the half tank level, the green LED glows. And as the water reaches 3/4 of the tank, the yellow LED glows. And finally, the blue LED glows with a buzzer sound once the tank is full. So that the precautionary measures can be taken. Moving on to the features of water level indicator, the installation is easy, low maintenance, compact, elegant design, the automatic water level controller ensures no overflows or dry running of pumps. Seepage of roofs and walls due to overflowing can be avoided. It's fully automatic and saves manpower. It consumes very little energy and it's ideal for continuous operation. Shows clear indication of water levels in the overhead tank. Over to Rajalakshmi.
Conclusion. In one drop of water are found all the secrets of all the oceans. To ensure that we save water, even if it is to a small extent, a water level indicator may be employed to detect and indicate the water level in an overhead tank or any other water container. It can help in the efficient utilization of water sources, and if used on a large scale, it can provide a major contribution in the conservation of water for us and the future generations. Thank you.